That's what it's about. That's what it's about.
Alright, now show me the flow. Show me the flow of everything.
Okay. So here we got fuel hoses from the vegetable tank. So basically it's going to the first switch here, just over there, and we got the diesel filter here, where it's going to the second the second switch. First switch going to the pump,
Lift pump.
to the lift pump. The lift pump going over there to the switch.
Yeah.
So you get one switch going on the left for the vegetable, for the diesel, then one for the vegetable, and after it's going, one's going before the filter, the diesel filter was going before the vegetable filter, and after it's going inside of the engine, and you switch by this at the bottom of the switch, and here we